Want elk as your neighbors? Welcome to Pine, Arizona, where mountain living meets small town charm. This adorable 3-bedroom cabin has a freshly painted exterior and is your true Pine getaway. Start your morning right with a cup of coffee on your back patio, reading your self-help books, whatever it may be. Start your day right. It's cozy. It's the kind of place you want to slow down after a long day in the pines. And check this out, you got an extended garage that can fit your side-by-side and anything else you can stick in there. So if you're looking for that perfect getaway, come check this out.